Hello and welcome to this course on Catalan Studio. In this course, we are going to go very basic, step by step, and learn Catalan Studio from scratch. So, if you do not know anything about Catalan Studio and you do not have any programming background, you do not have any coding skills, do not worry, we will learn everything in this course. So, Catalan Studio is a free tool and you can just download, install it, and you can start creating your automation test cases for web UI applications, for mobile application as well as for web services. So in this course we are going to start from very basics. We will learn about what Catalan Studio is. We will download and install it. We will look at the GUI of Catalan Studio. We will create our first test case in automation in Catalan Studio. We will learn about how can you create your test cases with record and replay. How can you create your test cases in manual mode and in scripting mode. We will also see how can you run your test cases in parallel and how can you run your multiple test suites in parallel in different browsers. We will also learn about reporting and we will learn about how can you send your test execution reports via email notifications. We will look at integration of this tool with version control systems like Git, and we will also see how can you integrate with continuous integration tools like Jenkins. So this is going to be a comprehensive learning series with Catalan Studio, and it's going to be very basic and it's going to be fun. So let's get started with Catalan Studio. Happy learning.